Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a house tour. But before we get into that, I just want to kind of give you a brief life update. A lot of things have been happening in the last few months and I haven't posted in a long time for multiple reasons. For one, I've been out of work I was out of work for about 3 months. We've been back to work for about 3 weeks now, but because of COVID-19, we couldn't work for about 3 months. I hadn't been paid in like 2 months and I closed on the house about a week into losing our jobs for that short amount of time. So I spent all this money closing on this house a week into losing my job, and then I was out of work for another like almost 3 months. It was just a whole thing and I was really stressed out. And then we moved in here, which was a whole nother fiasco. Moving is so stressful, as I'm sure you guys know. It took us quite a while to move in and get things settled. And then everything with the Black Lives Matter movement. Just want to say that I am so deeply sorry for those of you who are directly affected by this. I am so sorry for those of you who experience racism on a daily basis. That's something that I have never had to experience, and that's something that I will never experience, and I realize that is a huge privilege of mine. Like, I realize that, and I don't understand, but I want to understand, and I have been learning, and I've been donating, I've been signing petitions, I've been sharing posts. I feel like I can do more, but I just want you all to know that I stand with you, and I am just so sorry for everything that has happened. My heart hurts so bad for everyone affected by this, and I really hope that things just get better. That's all I want, is just for things to get better. And then everything that's going on YouTube has really made me so sad, and I mean, like, Jenna Marbles quitting YouTube, that just like made me so sad. Like, I love Jenna Marbles. She is just the greatest YouTuber, and I feel so sad for her that she feels like she needs to quit YouTube. The whole thing with Shane Dawson, I had no idea. I hadn't ever watched any of his videos from years back. I've only really been a fan of his documentary videos, and I had absolutely no idea of his history with videos. I had no idea, and I have been watching video after video after video and like reading articles, and I am appalled. Like, I can't believe what I have been seeing about him. And then just all the drama with the beauty community. YouTubers attacking each other, drama, hatred. I'm so fucking sick of it. I'm so over all of the drama in the beauty community. It makes me not want to be a part of it. It makes me want to go towards a different area of YouTube, which is what I kind of have been doing lately. I just want to say I'm so sorry for everything that's been happening. Like, it's been horrible. Anyways, that was a lot longer than I thought it was going to be. I wanted it to be brief, but I just want to let you guys know that I didn't mean to not be on YouTube because I don't want to be. I just don't feel like it's been right to post anything about myself. Like, I haven't posted anything really on Instagram for the last few months. I just don't feel right posting my normal content, but I need to start posting on YouTube again. So I wanted to start by doing a house tour with you guys and showing you my beautiful house, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. It's been a long time coming. This has been a dream of mine for years, and I'm so happy that I finally made it a reality. So let's go ahead and get into the house tour. So before we get into the tour, actually, I wanted to show a little bit of the moving out process, just showing you guys some clips of everything packed up and just the process. This part was really sad for me, just getting everything out of the apartment. We loved our apartment so much, and we had so many great memories there, and it was really sad walking through the final time with everything gone. I just can't believe it's been almost 4 years that we were living there. I remember the move-in day so clearly. It was so exciting. It was my first place by myself, well, with my sister, and yeah, I just can't believe it. Okay, now on to the tour. Okay, welcome to the tour, everyone. Just a little heads up, I'm not gonna show the front of the house. The front of the house isn't really anything special. You're not really missing out by not seeing it, but I also just don't really feel comfortable showing the front of my house. I'm sure you can assume why. Okay, so this is the front door area. The front door still has a child lock from the previous owners. I still haven't figured out how to take it off. I'm not trying to rip the paint off the door. And then you turn to your right, and this is my film room. These are glass double doors. I do want to get curtains to kind of hide it a little bit, just because it's kind of cluttered and I don't want it to be the first thing that people see when they walk in. So I don't have everything completely set up yet, but this is what I have so far. This couch is the same as the one that I had in my apartment. It folds out into a bed for guests to stay in here. I still have boxes. I'm gonna give away that dresser to my friend. Pretty much everything is set up. I don't know if I want to keep everything in here. It's kind of all over the place, honestly, but I'll figure it out. Okay, and then walking out of the film room, I got this rug on Amazon. It's really cute, I love it. Back into the hallway, so this left door is the garage, and then over here is a closet, and then here is the half bath. So it just has a toilet and a sink and a mirror for when people come over to visit. And then this closet is just a simple coat closet. We still have a lot of decorating to do, so things look a little bare. Here we have a little stool. This was Chloe's stool from her room in the apartment. We just put it there for now. This is a little storage closet right here. Still need to organize it a little bit. Okay, and then coming over to the living room, we've got the staircase right here. And then here's our living room. We kept all of our same furniture. Honestly, furniture is so expensive and I'm not trying to spend that much money like just moving into a house. So we're gonna keep all of our furniture for now, which I'm totally fine with. I love this couch and I love all of our like wood and kind of rustic furniture. And then over here we've got just like a plain corner. We need to figure out what to do here. I do want to start getting a lot of indoor plants, but those are also a little expensive as well. So that's going to be a building process. Okay, and then behind the living room is the dining room and kitchen area. The kitchen is my favorite part of this house. I love it so much. It's so much bigger than our apartment. We have so much room to cook. It's a lot more pleasant to cook. And then over there is our backyard and our patio, and I'll go through that soon. So this is just our little dining room area. It's the same table that we had at the apartment. I do want to get a bigger table eventually, but for right now this is fine. A little bar area. Okay, so coming over here we have like our dishwasher and sink area. A nice window to the backyard. We just have a lot of cabinetry and it's really hard to find. Like, it's hard to fill up drawers. Like you see, this is our silverware drawer. This is all we have in this big giant drawer. Like, we don't have enough stuff to fill up all of this space. Got a big sink, which is so nice. I love the window to the backyard. It makes the kitchen area so light and bright, whereas our apartment was really dark, kind of. Stove and microwave. And then more cabinets and drawers over here, which I'm pretty sure we don't even like, yeah, there's nothing in these. But yeah, we're still kind of figuring out where to put things. As you can see, we've got like piles of shit that we need to figure out where it goes to. This is the view to the living room. I'm really, really happy with this house. I'm so much happier in like a bigger space and a brighter space. The apartment was kind of dark sometimes and this just feels a lot more open, and our cats are so much happier here, especially they get to go outside. You can see Finn out there. He loves to be outside. It's just a lot better for all of us. There's Lenny creeping by the stairs. Okay, let's go look outside really quick. So here's our backyard. It's not super big, but honestly it's perfect for us. We've got our old lawn set from our apartment, and then we bought a new table and chairs and umbrella, which is super nice. There's open. Okay, so that is pretty much the whole downstairs area. It has been so fun living here. I can't even tell you guys. Oh yeah, and then this is our pantry. I don't even know if I want to show you this. It's really messy, but it's a lot better than our old pantry. It's just, everything's easier to grab. Whereas our other pantry, you had to like crawl into it to get to food. Okay, now we're gonna go upstairs to our bedrooms. Okay, so upstairs to the right is my bedroom. It's very large and I don't have enough things in it. I got a few new things like the rug and the bedspread, the pillows. Everything else is pretty much the same though. I've got a nice window to the backyard, which the really nice part about where we live is we're not right up against houses. Like there's a little farmland. It's probably hard to see. There's like a little farm area behind us, which is super nice because there's like horses and chickens and goats and it's really fun to watch. And I just feel like it's not really a crowded area when there's like no houses in our backyard. Okay, so this is my whole room. I do want to get some more furniture, maybe like a chair somewhere. And then here is my bathroom. I am in love with my bathroom, but yeah, it is weird like having this much space and like having two sinks and I only use one sink. Like it's a little weird, but I do like it. I have this really big mirror right here, which is very nice. And then over here is my bathtub and I'm in love with my bathtub. I love taking baths. I didn't think I was gonna be a huge bath person, but I take one almost every night. It's just so nice to like wind down and to actually have like a separate bathtub and not like a shower bathtub. It has changed the game. Okay, and then further down is my shower. Nothing crazy. And then here's the toilet area. Separate room for a toilet, people. Like the things I didn't think I needed, but I don't know what I would do without a separate room with a toilet now. Just kidding. That's an exaggeration. Okay, and here's my closet. This closet is large and I don't have that many clothes to fill up the closet, so it's a little weird looking. I definitely need to rearrange. Like, we've been living in this house for over a month and this is first how I just hung up clothes. Like, I'm just trying to get clothes in my closet without even like organizing or anything. And I haven't touched them since. So it's like crazy. I need to go through everything and organize just like random crap, like my long jackets, my suitcases, bags. Like I really need to go through here and figure out what to do with this area. But it's very nice to have that much space. Like I don't even see myself using the whole closet for just clothes. Like it's just nice to have storage. Why does everything look blue? There we go. I think we're back to normal. Okay, now exiting my room, going to the other side of the staircase. We have got, so I'm going to show you Chloe's room. Chloe's room is, I'm jealous of it. It's so cool. This is the bonus room of the house. So this is her bedroom area, and then she's got a little couch area. Her clothes hanging up. It's just a really neat space. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it's really happy in here. Like she's got the colors all bright and it's just a really cool space. I don't know, I really, really like it in here. I'm happy that she has like kind of her own area if she ever needs it, and got a cute little rug. Okay, that's Chloe's room. And then this is the laundry room. Nothing crazy. It is a really big laundry room. Like it's super nice, and we also put our litter box here. Gross. But it's nice to have a separate area for the litter box so we don't have to put it in the living room like we used to. And then next to Chloe's room is a spare bedroom. We have Chloe's old bed. We need to get some furniture for in here, but it's just nice to have an extra bed for when guests stay. We've already had 2 separate guests stay in there, which is really nice. And then on the opposite side of Chloe's room, we've got a towel closet. This is an extra bedroom. We don't know what to do with it. I was gonna have one of my friends stay with me, but her living arrangements changed. This was gonna be her room, but now it's an empty room, so we will probably take one of the beds from my parents' house, my old bed, and put it in here, just for an extra guest room if we need it. And then here is Chloe's bathroom. Very cute. Okay, and that is pretty much it. This is like, I don't know, it's crazy living in this big of a house, like especially with just 2 of us. It doesn't feel like we need all of this. This isn't a house that I'm planning on staying in forever, but this is perfect for us right now. It's like too big for us right now, but we are loving it. It's really, really amazing. It's such a good switch from our apartment. We do miss our apartment a lot, but living here is just so much easier for us. It's an easier commute to work, and it is lighter and brighter in here. Our cats are so much happier here. We're really close to our parents. I'm really close to all my friends, and I don't know, it just seems like a better situation for us. Like I said, we're not planning on living here forever, but I'm very happy with everything so far. Okay everyone, that is it for the tour. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being a subscriber and a supporter. I would not be able to do this without you. I am so grateful for this opportunity, and I'm so glad that I finally get to show you guys this. So yeah, thank you, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.